Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. This is my new phrasal verb series where I teach you about a new phrasal verb every week. So what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are verbs that consist of a verb and one or sometimes even two particles. The particles can change the meaning of the verb. For example, the verb look means to direct your eyes in a particular direction. For example, look at that cute dog. But the phrasal verb look forward to means to be excited about something that is going to happen. For example, I'm really looking forward to Christmas. Jessie is not looking forward to school on Monday. We also use look forward to discuss pleasure or excitement about something that we're going to do. For example, I always look forward to visiting my grandparents. Notice that after the phrasal verb look forward to, we have to use the verb plus ing. Beth isn't looking forward to working tomorrow night. Mario is looking forward to getting married next summer. Luke is looking forward to eating a steak dinner tonight. Now I want you to practice using the phrasal verb look forward to in the comment section of this video. Do you have any holiday plans you're looking forward to? Is there something you're not looking forward to doing this week? Let me know in the comment section of this video. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next lesson.